Yeah, yeah, that's right, you heard him. The blacksmith, the world champion, DJ Outlaw, Outlaw Productions, Liberace, the maestro, let's go.
Mr. Bahrain since 1992. The name's Sami Al-Haddad, and I'm sure you know him too. The bodybuilder Bahraini brother. Got a body bigger than an Arnold Schwarzenegger body. You bring the pain, brother. GCC, 90-kilogram winner. He's a champ, he bring the heat in the winter. Mr. Kuwait, Mr. Asia, Mr. UAE, Mr. Arabia. يا بطولة المسامانية اسمع مسوي له لرومانيا. هو ترى the worldwide champion Bahrainian and heavyweight Arabian. اسمع, he's a walking legend, a superstar, the future, the present, ready for war. So listen everybody, wherever you are, you can never go against the blacksmith. He's been here for a while, doing this thing, this is his time now. The blacksmith, heavyweight and the king of Arabia. The blacksmith, true champion up in the area. He's been here all the time, never look back, it's about time now. The blacksmith, now watch him as he wears the crown. The blacksmith, his name's been heard all over town.
The blacksmith, اسمعني وتتذكر هالاسم، يعني القوة يعني الإصرار والعزم يعني الأمل. بطل كلمة صغيرة ورافع راس الديرة، مهما كان مهما صار ما راح توقف هالمسيرة. يعني بطولة محلية وراح يبها هالبطل، يعني بطولة آسيوية هي محجوزة من قبل، يعني بطولة عالمية.